Our human body contains trillions of cells, each of them serving a unique purpose. And as with all complex machines, our body breaks down sometimes, of its own accord, or due to external stimuli. When that happens, the road to recovery can be difficult. It is a slow and painful process, even disheartening at times. You need products to restore strength, support, and help with the recovery process. Today, there are so many product solutions for different types of rehab. When you integrate these new and innovative products, along with sound professional advice, recovery is within your reach. This is when you gather up your courage, along with a strong willpower, have faith in yourself and your ability to overcome the challenges. We welcome you to rehabstore.com, where our mission is to make rehabilitation and wellness accessible to you.